Hi friends, welcome to CSDO. Are you ready for your bright future? Are you ready to become successful? Are you really passionate to do something creative? Are you tired of your regular job 9 to 5? Or do you think that you cannot do anything boring like sitting in front of a computer or opening your laptop for hours? And you really are looking for something that's creative, that is fulfilling, that gives you an opportunity to touch other lives, and that gives you happiness. My dear friends, in order to be successful in life, we only need one thing, that is clarity. We all need clarity in our lives, not certainty, because nothing is certain. But yes, if you are looking to be successful, if you also want to have something of your own, if you think that you have that little spark in you and you want to be self-employed, then of course CSDO is the school for you. We have trained so many of our students, and today CSDO feels proud. It's a proud moment when you see your students learning, when you see your students growing, when you see your students working with so many NGOs. Some students today are exporting candles, chocolates, soaps. Some have their own ventures. Some have their shops at places like Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Bangalore, Mumbai, and some are today teaching others, just like CSTO. So if you are passionate and if you are looking for an amazing career ahead, then CSTO is the place for you.